In this video, I'm going to introduce the 6 main widgets that give users a general overview of their site. The first one here is the Site Locator widget. This gives users a map and displays the name and location of their site. The second is this one, the Multi-Site Locator widget. With this, users can access a map showing all the site locations where they are a member. The third one is the Local Time and Current Weather widget. When users need to check the local time and current weather at their site, as the time and weather will have a direct impact on any renewable generation and on the site's power demand, this provides a quick way to do exactly that. Number 4 is the Asset List widget. This displays a complete list of the assets at the site. Along with their name, this displays their alarm and connection status. By clicking here, assets can be filtered according to their health and connection status. The fifth of the general overview widgets is this one, the Connectivity Overview. It displays an overview of your equipment's connectivity status. And finally, here we have the latest Active Events widget. This makes it easy to monitor the latest events occurring at the site. These events can be filtered according to their category. And when you click on it, it displays all the information related to this event.